Tank empty or tank full? What should you do before you winterize the boat? Should you fill it up? Should you run it empty? Well, this is a perfect condition right here. I've got a pontoon boat which has about a 60-gallon tank and it's half full. So what do I do? Do I fill it up? Do I empty it out? So the challenge is it's hard for me to empty it out because how do I get another 15 or 30 gallons of gas out of this boat? It's really hard. Either have to drain it out, I got to run around for a long period of time. And considering it's fall, I may not get that opportunity. So, the reason folks say full or empty is because I can control full right now. I can't control empty. So I'm going to head over here to the gas dock. And I'm going to fill the remainder of this tank up for the winter because I can control full. I can't control empty.